Part 2. So first I'll do a recap of the problem or the engineering goal. So the problem is that people afflicted with muscle tremors are unable to perform common daily activities such as holding objects or eating with utensils due to the involuntary muscle shaking movements. And now there are existing solutions to the problem of muscle tremors. In the medical industry, medicines have been developed to suppress the underlying cause for the muscle tremors, whether it be from Parkinson's disease or strokes. There are also many lifestyle choices that contribute to reduced muscle tremors, such as strenuous exercise, being Tai Chi or physical therapies. This project has a goal of creating an exoskeleton that would inhibit muscle tremors. So how it works? So the person will first wear the exoskeleton using the straps and the arm guard, as you can see there. The motor is then controlled. It's underneath the wooden plank. It's controlled by a motor controller which rotates the forearm component around using the cables, thus moving the human forearm around as well. The frame of the exoskeleton arm suppresses the muscle tremors using the added weight and the stabilizing tension forces from the cables/strings. And with this, you will have a stabilizing exoskeleton arm frame that would suppress your muscle tremors from the human arm and allow it to move as well using a motor controller. So the development process was pretty simple. So first, the initial idea was sketched out on paper to show the general design of the exoskeleton. Then the basic frame of the exoskeleton was constructed using metal and machine tools to cut the materials. The electrical component was then added to the exoskeleton. And throughout this entire process, revisions were made to the design throughout. And so I'll talk about why fund this idea. So the problems of current solutions are numerous. So medications to treat this condition are often very costly and aren't effective on anyone. There's one treatment called deep brain stimulation, and it involves surgery, and you basically reset the brain. But not everybody is able to afford it or even able to even use it in the first place, as it doesn't have 100% effectiveness on everybody. So basically, medications are gated to some people with muscle tremors. And therapies and lifestyle changes are often very time consuming and also can be expensive depending on the lifestyle change. For example, Tai Chi requires Tai Chi lessons, which would cost money. Not everybody has access to that sort of funding in order to reduce their muscle tremors. In theory, exoskeletons can be applied to everybody, and that's why exoskeletons could potentially be a better solution to this problem. So here are the next steps if funded. So basically, the funding will be used to fix the current problems of the exoskeleton. So first, I'll make the exoskeleton electromyography controlled, which is controlled using electrical impulses from nerves, like how you use your human arm, how you move your human arm using your electrical impulses, instead of a motor controller to make control more natural. So it will feel more like an extension of the arm rather than some mechanical device on you. I would also revise the design to be more adjustable in terms of size in order to accommodate a wider range of sizes. As you may know, exoskeletons are hard, meaning that they do not adjust in terms of size. So you would have to make different exoskeletons depending on the different sizes of people. So I would try to revise the design so it can be more accommodating towards different sizes. I would also revise the design to become more comfortable and created through 3D printing to lower cost.